Hey guys, do you want your lock screen to look like this? Where it is using AI to put the weather condition on your lock screen. It doesn't matter what image you have over here, but if it's raining outside, it will have rain on your lock screen like this, and it is getting on me right now. You see? So how to turn this on? What you have to do, you have to go to settings. Okay, you have to go to settings and then search for ambient wallpaper. It's an advanced feature. So turn it on. Make sure you turn that on from here. Okay, and then you just go to your wallpaper settings. After that, you have to click on the change wallpapers and then go to the photo ambient. Okay, click on photo ambient and then you will be able to choose a wallpaper, any photo, and it will turn into the ambient 3D type lock screen wallpaper for you. Alright guys, I hope you like this video. Subscribe the channel and share it with your loved ones. Bye bye.